This drone's so smart, it practically majored in aerospace. Potensic ATOM SE is your sky's new MVP. Ever wish your drone had the brains of NASA and the body of a hummingbird? Meet the Potensic ATOM SE, the under 249-gram sky beast that flies smarter, longer, and better than drones 3 times its price. This featherweight flyer is the dream drone for beginners and pros alike, no FAA registration needed, and it folds smaller than your daily regrets. Its 4K EIS camera with Sony sensor makes even your worst aim look cinematic, thanks to built-in stabilization and shake-busting tech. Flight time? A jaw-dropping 93 minutes with 3 batteries and 1.5-hour quick charge hub. Whether you're chasing clouds or clout, this drone delivers. Let's talk range, speed, and wind resistance, because this drone isn't just pretty, it's powerful. With PixSync 2.0, you get 4 km ultra-stable FPV transmission, so say goodbye to lag and signal drops. Brushless motors and level 5 wind resistance give this drone the confidence of a caffeine-fueled hawk. And don't sleep on the SurgeFly system, which hits 16 meters per second in 2.8 seconds, making it one of the fastest drones under 250 grams in its class. Whether you're filming sunsets, tracking sports, or spying on squirrels, no judgment, this drone keeps you smooth, steady, and stylish in the air. Here's where it flexes on the competition. GPS auto return, 4K video, and a foolproof beginner mode make this drone stupidly smart. If you've ever crash-landed a drone into a tree, worry no more. The ATOM SE flies back to you like a loyal golden retriever when battery's low or signal's weak. Packed with advanced flight modes like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Circle Fly, it practically flies itself. And if you're new to drones, it's like having a personal pilot trainer whispering sweet flight tips into your ears. Save your time, money, and patience, this drone's got your back, and front, and sides. The parallel charging hub is no joke. 3 batteries charged in 90 minutes means you spend more time flying and less time watching blinking lights. The quality here? Rock solid. You're getting Sony optics, military-grade wind resilience, and buttery-smooth footage that'll embarrass your buddy's $1,000 quadcopter. Did we mention it's under 250 grams and fits in your jacket pocket? That's stealthy tech at its best, no paperwork, no nonsense, all flight. The Potensic ATOM SE Fly More combo is the cheat code for aerial adventure. Whether you're a casual content creator, a drone-curious dad, or a TikTok sky ninja, this bird checks every box. It's affordable, future-proof, and so easy your mom could fly it on her first try, and she might outfly you. Built for performance, priced for humans, and crafted to impress, this drone doesn't just fly, it wins. Father's Day gift? More like Father's Decade.